family is safe, but we work in a group. The family group from is like one family. That's why very sad and worry. Yeah. Many people are in jungle, like without any tent. They are staying. So this is the wise shed. We don't know in future what will happen. What the government will, the norms, what they will do, I don't know. Yeah, we pray that. I think God want to make strong for the people, want to bring the unity in churches. In community, we have to give encouragement then. And all the villages, we go with them. We will share the word of God from the Matthew 24. It is the success, the God words. So we have to encourage them. Those who lost their family, we have to encourage them.
Do you think that your village will rebuild?
I don't think so. Yeah,
you don't think they'll rebuild?
So. Yes, because my village is not like this. We have very dangerous. This is why happened. Jesus is coming soon. He's showing us really the day is near, and I have big faith in Him. This condition happened. I'm not sad or not, this. I'm really very happy and big faith personally myself. But when we go upstate, my heart is broken. So this is the why sometimes I have to cry, because many people lost their home, my family. Everyone here is like our parents, our brother and sister. So this is the why I'm missing them. Really.